The Teddy and then the Jack. Just like... Hey, Erin.
Hi.
Hey, what do we have? Some Nightmare Before Christmas stuff. So the ones that are orange we got at Walmart. And this one is the Pumpkin King. We got a different version. We have another version. And then this little Jack guy, he's holding a baby Oogie Boogie, so cute. And then this one with that Teddy, the character named Teddy, and then there's Zero. Anyway, we're going to show you what this looks like. And of course, Finkelstein with Sally. Alright, so let's unbox these. Alright, let's see what comes in the box. The usual stuff. So the other Pumpkin King we have is holding a sign that says Halloween Town. And this one is holding a skeleton head. So let's plug him in to see what he looks like. There it goes.
Oh, there's a bag. He's not close by. Look at it.
Let's see what he looks like.
It looks exactly the same.
You think so?
Almost. The other one has a sign that says Halloween Town.
Alright guys, here's his head. This is what he's holding, the skeleton head, and then here is what he looks like.
That's cool.
Very cool. Alright, the next one is Jack with the Oogie Boogie. I don't know, is it a doll?
Yeah, I think like a dolly.
Maybe. Maybe like...
But you can see the Oogie Boogie's greenness. The neon green.
Yeah, that's creepy.
Alright, let's see what he looks like. Oh, there it goes.
Pick it up.
What's that thing? It'll come off though, Dad.
Yeah.
This thing.
Oh, it's like running. Yeah.
I think he's really small. He's like a kid. Why is his head so big?
He's taking a long time.
He has a big head. There he goes.
There he is. Oh, look, it's cute.
Oh, look at the little Oogie Boogie. It's going to look weird with the light in there, like a circle. And then this is the Jack Skellington head. Very cute. And his foot's sucked in.
He's like, let go of me.
No, it's over here.
Down there.
Oh, this one.
There we go. All right. Put him over there next to that guy. All right. Up next is the Sally Finkelstein. This one looks like it has...
Sally Finkelstein.
Yeah. All right. This one looks like it has a base fan. We're going to open it. It's got some tape on the side. All right. Here you can see that it does have a base fan. So we are going to unfold it. There we go.
All right. Put it right here.
There it goes.
Oh.
Woohoo! I like when they have base fans. They're so much more powerful. Uh-oh, it's like on top of itself.
Oh, it's backward. Yep.
Turn it towards me. Alright, so here's the Sally. She's pretty big. Check her out.
I like this one.
Look at this skeleton guy. He's blinking. And then here's this Finkelstein with his tiny little feet, like always. And then his little nose is like sucked in.
Sing yeah.
It's bigger than I thought.
Alright. Alright, this is what it looks like from the side. Very cool.
Alright.
Alright, last but not least, we have the Nightmare Before Christmas Jack Skellington with the Teddy character. More tape. Got another base fan over here.
Maybe.
Maybe. Looks small though. This box is pretty big though. You can see the price of this one was $100.
Wow. It must be big. It has a base fan.
Alright, it looks kind of small, guys, and yet it has a base fan. There it goes. Let's see. So this one is 5.5 feet tall, it says.
So it's smaller
Oh,
than
it's cool. Yeah.
Whoa.
How
Look at
does
the little
this
frog
one...
leg.
Dad, how does this one even have a base?
Oh, look at the snake.
How does this one have
All right, so there's a lot going on this one. You can see it's Jack, and he's sitting cross-legged on a tombstone. You can see here the teddy character, so cute. And then here is Zero with his little nose, very cute. And here's the snake, like rattling itself around. So this is a pretty cool one. We got this one at Walmart for $100. All right, guys, so these are our 4 new inflatables. So we got this Jack for $35 with the Oogie Boogie. This Pumpkin King with the skeleton head, which matches this one. This is the Finkelstein with Sally Inflatable. This one does have a base fan, and this one was $169 at Lowe's. And then this awesome one from Walmart, this one was $100. You can see the snake wrapping around, and you can see the tombstone has like a different type of look to it, almost like it has texture. The teddy, and then the Jack just like chilling here on the tombstone. Very cool. So let us know which one of these guys is your favorite. We're going to set these up so you can see them in the final display here soon. Thank you guys so much for watching, and bye.